Abu Qatada's release today is an embarrassment for the Home Secretary Theresa May, who back in April promised MPs that she would have Qatada on a plane back to Jordan within days. But the ruling by the London court yesterday, the Special Immigration Appeals Commission, is actually an important victory for human rights in terms of laying down, drawing a line in the sand that Britain shouldn't send terror suspects back to a country where there is a risk that he may face a trial based on evidence obtained by torture. And in that sense, it's a very important decision, and if it's upheld by the Court of Appeal, will mark a real drawing a line that Britain has to engage with countries that have systemic problems of torture inside their justice systems if it is to send back and have a successful policy of deporting international terror suspects. This will be the fourth time that he's been released for a brief period on bail since he was first detained in 2002. The last time he was on a 22-hour curfew. This time he's going to be on a 16-hour curfew, which means that he can only leave his house between the hours of 4 p.m. in the afternoon and 8 p.m. at night. He'll have restrictions on who can meet during that time, but we don't yet know any further details other than he'll have an electronic tag which will enforce that curfew. The Jordanians say they share the British government's disappointment with the SIAC ruling, and the Jordanian Justice Minister has said he's willing to talk again with the British government to see if there are ways which they can reassure the courts in London that Qatada wouldn't face a trial based on torture-based evidence. And the King of Jordan is due to visit London later this month. May is trying to open up avenues for hopes there of securing some further progress.